Hey there, so I'm going to talk for a minute about what do you do when you want to keep your people but you can't afford to give them a raise. What are the other things you can do that maybe engage them, motivate them and frankly keep them beyond money, especially relevant in these continuing tough times. So firstly, I want to talk to you about what fundamentally motivates people, and then we'll get into the ID connection in a minute. One of the things that I've found, no matter who the people are, no matter who they work for, people need to build something, belong to something and personally grow. If they're just doing a job that's coming to, and it's making money but it's just doing a job, you're only addressing one very minor need, and it's typically not the number one need on the list. But if they feel like they're coming to work to build something, that they belong to a team that really values them, that appreciates them, that is doing something meaningful, and that personally they're growing, that they can look back at the end of a quarter or at worst case at the end of 12 months and say, wow, I'm doing things that 12 months ago I didn't have capability for. If they're doing those three things, the money almost becomes irrelevant. It's not irrelevant. Of course they've got to live and pay their way like everyone else, but it won't be as pressing for them as an issue if they feel that they're building something significant, that they belong and that they're personally growing. Let's look at how the ID plays in here. So if you've got people driven to verify, if they're doing something that is purposeful, that's a big problem to solve, they can't help but be engaged. They're not going to walk away from that. If you've got the authenticators who feel that they're doing something really useful, that personally they're the only ones that can really fix this and make it work again, they're not walking away. Completers love sorting out a mess. So if they can bring order to all the chaos and get something back on track and feel they're making real progress, they're in. And for the improvisers, you make it exciting, you make it like electric to be there, got some big challenging. I heard a guy say the other day, for me it's got to be impossible. If I see everyone running the other way, he described it as if I see the building on fire but someone's got to be rescued and it's virtually impossible to get in, he said, I'm in. And I want people around me who want to come in with me. If you make the environment like that, it's so engaging, people aren't even thinking about the money. And you're bound to keep them, at least have the best shot you can at keeping your really good people.